Hey Emma, what are you doing in the kitchen this early morning? It smells really fresh and delicious in here today.
Hi Nina, I'm preparing breakfast and lunch together because my schedule is very busy later, so I need everything ready.
That sounds very organized. I usually wake up late and then rush around the kitchen without knowing what to cook.
Planning meals earlier really saves time. Today I'm making scrambled eggs, toast, rice, and a quick chicken curry.
Wow, that sounds like a lot already. Do you need help with anything because cooking together always makes work easier?
Yes please, can you wash these vegetables first, then chop the onions, tomatoes, and carrots while I heat the stove?
Sure, I can do that, but cutting onions always makes my eyes water badly and I start crying immediately.
That happens to me too sometimes. Try washing the onion with cold water before cutting. It usually helps reduce tears.
I'll try that today. By the way, your kitchen is always so neat, clean, and everything seems perfectly arranged.
Thank you. I always keep things organized because it helps me find items quickly and makes cooking less stressful daily.
I seriously need that habit because I waste so much time searching for spoons, knives, and ingredients every single day.
Start by keeping everything in one place after using it. Slowly your kitchen will become easier to manage.
That makes sense. So what exactly are we cooking for lunch? Because I can already smell something really nice.
We're making rice, chicken curry, and sautéed vegetables because it's healthy, filling, and also simple enough to cook quickly.
Homemade food always tastes better than outside food. Plus it feels healthier and cleaner when you prepare it yourself.
Exactly, you can control the spices, oil, and ingredients, which makes the meal better for your body.
I finished washing the vegetables now. Should I start chopping them or do you need me somewhere else first?
Yes, chop them into small pieces and make them equal sizes, so they cook evenly without some staying hard.
Okay, I'm trying my best, but my cutting skills are still slow because I don't spend much time cooking.
That's completely fine. Cooking becomes easier only with regular practice. Nobody becomes fast and confident in just one day.
You always make cooking look simple. When I cook alone, I panic and feel like everything is going wrong.
That's because you overthink too much. Cooking should feel relaxing. Just do one step at a time calmly.
The vegetables are chopped now. Should I put them into the pan with oil and start frying them slowly?
Yes, add a little oil first, then onions, and after that put tomatoes and carrots while stirring continuously.
All right, it already smells good. I didn't know onions frying in oil could make the kitchen smell this amazing.
Yes, that first aroma always makes me hungry. Cooking becomes enjoyable when the whole kitchen fills with delicious smells.
Do you want me to prepare the eggs too? I think scrambled eggs would go nicely with toast.
Yes, crack 4 eggs into that bowl, add salt and pepper, then mix them properly until smooth.
I'm doing it now. I hope they turn out fluffy because mine usually become too dry and rubbery.
Cook them on low heat and stir gently, that way they stay soft, creamy, and much tastier.
Oh, I didn't know low heat makes such a difference. I always cook fast because I become impatient.
Slow cooking gives better texture sometimes. Rushing in the kitchen often ruins food even when ingredients are perfect.
Everything looks almost ready now. The chicken curry smells incredible and the vegetables look colorful and fresh.
Yes, we are nearly done. Please set the plates and glasses on the table while I finish this last part.
Sure, I'll arrange everything nicely because food always feels more enjoyable when the table looks clean and welcoming.
I completely agree. A neat table somehow makes homemade meals feel special, even if the dishes are simple.
I'm honestly feeling proud because I helped cook today and nothing got burned or ruined like previous attempts.
See, you're learning already. Cooking isn't hard when you stay patient, follow steps, and enjoy the process slowly.
Thank you for teaching me today. I feel much more confident now, and I actually want to cook again tomorrow.
You're welcome. Next time we can try making something more difficult, and I'm sure you'll do even better.